Vietnamese pancake. The easiest way is to buy a bag pre-mix. And this is the best brand I like is Vinh Thuong. You can get it in any Asian grocery store, or you probably can order online now. But this is the way I'm teaching you today. Is already pre-packaged. Very easy. First, we gotta measure the water. In here, the preparation is also in English and in French, and Vietnamese, of course. So right here, they say take the powder and put in 750 millimeter to 800 millimeter of water. Or if you like, I would do coconut water if you want it richer. So do like just a quarter cup of coconut milk, because you don't want it too rich. But here, I'm going to measure it out for you. See exactly how many cup is 750 millimeter. I will go up to 800 because they said from 750 to 800. So right here, I have a millimeter cup already. And right here, you can see 500 millimeter. It's a little bit, just a tinge over 2 cups. So 500. So right here, I don't know if you can see it, but 300 millimeter is 1 1/4 cup. So right in here we have a little bit over 2 cups already, and we pour the balance. That gives us 800 millimeter, and our water come up to a teeny bit over the 3 cup mark. So you can say it's 3 1/4 cup. And all we do is now in here, there should be a bag that has the yellow turmeric. You don't want to pour that in there. The good thing about this package is that if you pre-soak it the night before, your pancake will be more crispier and chewier at the same time. So I always like to soak my rice flour. This is made out of rice flour. Let's see what's the ingredient in here. It has rice, starch, wheat flour, turmeric. Only 3 ingredients. So you can make it yourself from scratch, but this already pre-made, and that's pretty good. So you want to whisk this so it's nicely combined. You can see it is nicely combined. I'm going to save the turmeric package and put it in tomorrow. For tonight, all we have to do is cover it and let it sit overnight. So this is the turmeric powder. Now you add it into batter that we have soaked overnight. And you don't have to put it in the fridge. You can soak it overnight. Just water and flour. You can leave it room temperature. So we want to do is chop up some scallion or leeks, whatever you have. But scallion's better. Okay, you want to chop the either scallion or leek really fine. And we're going to put it into batter. Okay, the scallions or the leeks is in here, and definitely you want to mix this up because the flour will settle. See how chunky it is? So you want to mix it up really well. Your turmeric is in here as well. Show you my setup. You need a frying pan with a lid, and you need a ladle to take the batter out. You need a bowl of oil, your shrimp. You can do it with shrimp, fish, chicken, pork, whatever you like. A raw protein and a big bowl of onions. So you want it to be on medium-high heat. Okay, you want a good 3 tablespoons, depending how big your frying pan is, a good 3 tablespoons of oil. And then you want some onion. You can put in as much onion as you like. My sister loves a lot of onion. So this is a big frying pan. This is like a 12-inch frying pan here. It should be at medium heat. And saute your onion until it's nice and tender. Be about only 30 seconds. It helps cook the process, cook the onion down a little bit. You add in your protein. If it's shrimp, it cooks really quickly, or squid very quickly. You want that at the very end. But if it's chicken or pork, you want to add it in now. And you can just do it with veggie only. You can have just vegetable in here and no protein at all if you want vegetarian. Now we add our shrimp. You add as much protein as you like. And you really don't have to saute this. This will cook by itself once your batter goes in. And pour in your batter. And just shake your batter around. So it's like a thin crepe. Then we put a cover on it. Let it cook for a few minutes. Once it's cooked for 1 minute, you want to uncover. You see how the edging of your pancake is cooked, but the middle's not cooked yet. You need to add more oil around the edging here. So we're going to use the spatula to lift up the batter, and that way we can add our oil in. So you add about another 3 tablespoons of oil, and you want to move it around, the oil to go around the pancake. Just lift up your pancake. So I'm going to add another 2 tablespoons over here. And we're going to cover and let this cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes up. You see how the middle is nicely cooked and the edging is getting crispy. See how the edging is getting crispy? So now you're going to let it cook uncovered for another 3 minutes. You see the shrimp cooks really fast. It's all set. It's just about the edging. So you can lift it up and you see it's nicely golden. So you want it nice and crispy. So you want to wait that 3 minutes. Okay, look how crispy that is. Isn't that beautiful? And there is your Vietnamese pancake. Look at that. My sister, you're going to taste test for me? Wow, that's perfection. Usually you can eat this with Thai basil or cilantro and a fish sauce. I'll show you how to make it. Or soy sauce. Go ahead, my sister. She's going to taste test for me. Gonna dip it in the sauce. Yes.
Mmm. Crunchy, flavorful, very savory.
Delicious.
Very, very good.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to make some fish sauce to dip for the Vietnamese pancake. In this mortar here, we have hot peppers, some green and some red for color, and minced garlic. And to make it really good, you can do it just with vinegar, but I like a little bit of lime, lemon, vinegar, a combination. So whatever you have lime or you have lemon only, that's fine. Or you have vinegar only, it's fine. It's all according to your taste bud. So I like to do the zest of one lime. Not too much. You don't want to go deep into the white part. Then that will make your fish sauce bitter. So just a little bit. The ratio to this is 2 to 1. So whatever you use, 1 fish sauce, you gotta use 2 sugar. So I'm gonna give you a small recipe so you can make as much as you want. So I just want to put a little sugar in here to do the. You can put this through the mortar, or you can chop it by hand as well. If you don't like it too spicy, don't put a lot of peppers in here. 1 cup of water in here, and this is warm water, hot water, so that way your sugar will melt faster. And so I'm going to do 1 cup of sugar. And just half a cup of fish sauce. It's all according to your taste bud, what you like. And then you're going to do half a cup of lemon juice, lime juice, vinegar. Okay, I'm going to do 1/4 of vinegar and 1/4 of lime and lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Okay, add the peppers in, the lemon and lime, and vinegar. Now, just a matter of preference, your taste, and you add whatever you like more. You like it salty, or do you like it sweet? So I like it a little sweeter, so I will add more sweetness to it. But this is the basic of your sauce.
Oh.
You can, I can put it away for you, and you can eat it when they come over. You don't want me to get your face, right?
Well, I put this makeup on it.
Oh, okay. So I can get your... Okay, Mom's going to try this shrimp Vietnamese pancake for me. And this is the dipping sauce to go with it, Mom.
Okay.
But this is more like a finger food. You know that, right, Mom?
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because it's so crispy. You hear that?
Yes.
So it's easy if you break it, your finger and dip it.
Beautiful color.
Try the sauce. What do you think, Mom?
Nice and crispy. Nice taste. Tasty. Very nice. Shrimp inside here. And the veggie. Very beautiful color. Love the color. Love the taste. And the fish sauce makes it just delicious. Okay. Oh. Let's go.
Is that too crunchy for you?
Delicious. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much. Bon appetit.
See you in the next video, guys.